Everyone wants to know how to jam plug spin. So let me show you, okay? Now you can do this on the stoppers. Some people do it forward, backwards. I do mine backwards, so here we go. First of all, you're gonna place one foot down, either your left or right. I spin to my left, so my right foot is down, okay? It's on the jam plugs, it's also on the wheel. Now, if you can't do a backwards compass, practice your backwards compass. What I mean is this. Get that first, and then you're ready for this tutorial. Now, all my weight from head to toe is all in a line. So, this is my drawing leg. This is my pinpoint leg as we make a compass shape. What we're gonna do first is just quarter turns, all right? All your weight should be above your foot, that is the pin leg. So head all the way down, it's a straight line. From here, I'm gonna bounce 3 turns. 1, 2, 3, quarter turn. That's all, okay? Try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, quarter turn, all right? If you notice, when I go to do this, I need to get my weight over, so I'm not just going, I have to bend and push up, okay? Now this gets my weight over that leg, so then I can do the turn. Once you're ready, we're now going to try halves. So facing that way by the time I finish my half. 1, 2, 3, half. Okay, now the thing with this is that even though it's a jam plug spin, we are relying on our wheels as well. But my foot is going round, but also it's making a small circle like so. Okay, it's not just stuck solely on one point. There is a small rotation going round. So my weight is going from my jam plug to my wheels. Give you a closer look here. So jam plug and wheels all together, okay? So when I go round, I make a small circle. Now when we've got that point of we're doing the half turns, we're ready to try a full one. 1, 2, 3, full turn. That's pretty much it. Keep that leg nice and bent. Later on you can extend it and do all sorts, but for now, just to get the basics, you want to keep it slightly bent, okay? And then after that, once you're ready, you can do whatever you want. Peace.